If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. If you benefit from this video, please give a like and also share so others can benefit. Jazakumullah khair.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 28. In this lesson, we will learn فعل and فعل. So, فعل is the verb, the action being done. And fa'al is the subject, the person doing the action. So remember, the fa'al is the verb, the action being done. And the fa'al is the subject, the person doing the action. So let's see some examples. ذهب حامد. Hamid went. So ذهب went, Hamid. So Hamid went. Hamid is doing the action. So ذهب is فعل, Hamid is فاعل. Hamid is performing the fi'l ذهب. So Hamid is the fa'il and ذهب is the fi'l. دخل محمود. Mahmud entered. دخل entered. Mahmud. So دخل محمود. Mahmud entered. So Mahmud is the fa'il doing the action دخل. دخل is the fa'il. Mahmud is the fa'il. Remember, fa'il, which is the subject, always gets dhamma. Yani the last letter of that word will have dhamma. Fa'il always gets dhamma. How do we know fa'il? It will have dhamma. So let's see in the exercise. جلس عمار. Ammar said. So who is doing the sitting? Ammarun. Ammar is the fa'il and jalasa is the fi'il. So that's why Ammar has dhamma, and this dhamma indicates that this Ammar is the fa'il. Fa'ala Khalidun. Khalid did. So who is doing the action? Khalid. So Khalid is the fa'il, and fa'il gets dhamma. So this dhamma shows that Khalid is the one doing the action. ضرب الرجل. The man hit. ضرب الرجل. The man hit. So who is doing the hitting? الرجل. So that's why it is فعل. It has ضمة. So ضرب is فعل. الرجل is فعل. And it gets only one ضمة because it has alif lam. And we know when the word gets alif lam, it will have one haraka. ذهب حامد إلى السوق. Hamid went to the market. ذهب حامد. Hamid went. So Hamid is the fa'il because it is getting dhamma. So dhamma indicates that Hamid is the fa'il. Hamid is doing the action. It is not because of the sequence. It is not because it is coming after ذهب. It is because the dhamma. Whenever we see fa'il and after is noun with dhamma, that indicates that is fa'il doing the action. ذهب حامد. Hamid went إلى السوق, to the marketplace. And one thing more to remember, we studied in the previous semester. إلى is al-huruf al-jar. It gives qasra to the following word. So qaf has qasra because of إلى, and it has only one qasra because of alif lam. ذهب, he went. So this is also a complete sentence. ذهب, he went. Went is فعل, he is فاعل. So he went is فعل with فعل. ذهب is فعل with فعل. In the previous semester, we have learned that all the فعل has the فعل in itself. So ذهب, he went. So ذهب, فعل with فعل. So let's review. فعل is the verb, the action being done. فعل, verb, the action being done. Al-fa'il is the person doing the action. So al-fa'il or fa'il, the person doing the action. ذهب حامد. Hamid went. So ذهب is فعل, Hamid is fa'il. And the dhamma indicates that Hamid is the fa'il. Hamid is doing the action, and fa'il is the person doing the action. So let's see in the Quran. خلق الله سبع سماوات طباقا. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created 7 heavens in layers. So khalaqa is the fa'il. Khalaqa is the fa'il. Allahu is the fa'il. The word Allah has dhamma that indicates that this is the fa'il. This Allah is doing the action of khalaqa. Khalaqallahu, Allah has created sab'a samawatin thibaqa, 7 heavens in layers. ما جعل الله لرجل من قلبين في جوفه. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has not made for a man 2 hearts in his interior, meaning in his chest. So ما جعل is the fa'il. ما جعل, not created. Allahu, Allah. So Allah is the fa'il because it has dhamma. The word Allah has dhamma that indicates or shows that this is fa'il, not because it is coming after ja'ala. Because the word Allah is fa'il because it has the dhamma. Inni wajadtu imratan tamlikuhum. Indeed, I found a woman ruling them. So inni wajadtu, indeed I found imratan, a woman, tamlikuhum, ruling them. So wajadtu is fa'il with fa'il. Wajadtu, I found. So fa'il with fa'il. Inni wajadtu, indeed I found imratan, a woman, tamlikuhum, ruling them. Inna wajadna aba'ana ala ummatin. Indeed we found our fathers on a religion. So inna wajadna, indeed we found aba'ana, our fathers, ala ummatin, upon a religion. So here wajadna is fa'il with fa'il. Wajadna, we found, is fa'il with fa'il. وَزَيَّنَ لَهُمُ الشَّيْطَانُ أَعْمَالَهُم. And shaitan has made their deeds pleasing to them. So here zayyana is fa'il. Zayyana is fa'il. And shaitan is the fa'il. Shaitan is the fa'il. Why? Because it has dhamma. The word shaitan has dhamma. This indicates that zayyana is the fa'il done by shaitan. So shaitan made their deeds pleasing to them. The word shaitan has dhamma that indicates that this is fa'il. And fa'il is the person doing the action. So zayyana is done by shaitan.
It is your time to study and practice now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And ring the bell for the upcoming videos. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wa salamun ala al-mursaleen. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.